Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, May 11th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. All library books are due Wednesday, May 11th, and the library closes Thursday, May 12th for inventory. Today's late duty is Miss Everett, tomorrow is Miss Waller, and Friday is Miss Shaver. Important dates. This week we have iReady Reading Diagnostic in grades K through 5. Today we have a very exciting event. We have the Grad Walk for our 2022 Mobile County seniors. So we will be inviting our students that attended Kate Shepherd to walk our halls, and we will cheer them on to celebrate them graduating. Also, today is National School Nurses Day, so be sure you stop by Nurse Eaton's room and tell her how much you appreciate her for taking care of all the boo-boos and all the other fun things that she gets to handle. May 13th, the PLU evidence is due. May 16th, summative conferences begin. May 18th, we have PST and Volunteer Appreciation Brunch. May 19th is Math PLT. May 24th, Class Party Day and 5th grade transition program. May 26th, last day for students, and May 27th is a teacher work day. End of the year reading diagnostic. We have lots of diagnostic that has already taken place. So today it looks like only Miss Bertolino is going to be testing. So almost finished up with that. If you still have students that need to test or need to do a makeup, let us know and we can help out with that. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.